Hey, health hounds, welcome back to Medically Speaking-ish, the show where we dive into the week's top medical news without the scalpel mostly. This week, we've got an exciting lineup, from flesh-eating bacteria to eye drops that promise a touch of eternal youth almost. Buckle up, buttercups, it's going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about a concerning trend, a rise in flesh-eating bacteria along the Gulf Coast. Now, before you cancel your beach vacation, let's clarify. We're referring to Vibrio vulnificus, not some zombie apocalypse scenario. This bacteria thrives in warm, brackish water. You know, that slightly murky water you might accidentally swallow while boogie boarding. The good news? Most cases are mild, but for those with weakened immune systems, it can be serious. So remember, don't lick the ocean. Always wash any wounds thoroughly, and if you notice anything unusual, see a doctor, not a TikTok influencer. Next, here's a ray of hope for those of us who've spent years squinting at menus. The FDA has approved eye drops for presbyopia. That's the fancy term for age-related blurry vision. Think of it as a tiny, miracle-working serum for your eyes. No more juggling between reading glasses and sunglasses every 2 seconds. However, keep in mind that this isn't a magic cure-all. Results can vary, so it's always wise to check with your eye doctor before trying any new eye drops, even if they sound amazing. Speaking of age, a potential storm of non-communicable diseases is brewing in South America. We're talking heart disease, cancer, diabetes, the usual suspects. This isn't a sudden outbreak, but rather a complex issue linked to lifestyle, access to healthcare, and economic factors. It underscores the importance of preventative measures and investing in robust healthcare systems worldwide. Think of it as a giant game of Jenga. One wobbly block like poor access to healthy food can bring the whole structure down. Now, let's shift gears and talk brain power. The internet is buzzing about brain-boosting supplements. While some show promise in specific situations, let's be realistic. There's no magic pill to make you instantly smarter. Many claims are exaggerated, and some supplements haven't been thoroughly tested for long-term effects. Always consult a doctor before taking anything new, especially if you're on other medications. Your brain deserves better than a potentially overpriced placebo. Finally, we have exciting news about 3 new FDA-approved obesity drugs that aren't the usual GLP-1s. This opens up diverse treatment options for those looking to manage their weight. While these medications offer potential, they're not a quick fix and should be used under a doctor's supervision. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is crucial, no matter what medications you're on. Dieting alone is like trying to build a skyscraper with only toothpicks. It's not a sustainable structure. That's it for this week's medical headlines. Remember, always consult your doctor before making any health decisions. We're just here for the entertaining, slightly informed commentary. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and don't lick the ocean. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us for more updates and insights.